Good morning! Correct! A day in my life. So, tingnan nyo yan. Nag-lights on na si Mami Yang sa aming bahay. Correct! We have early spirit of Christmas in our home, mga my guys. Kasi start September, so that's our culture tradition in the Philippines. Start beer months. Oh my goodness, that spirit of Christmas very early. So I'm very excited. So that's what I'm gonna let lights on my Christmas tree, but not yet done. So anyway, here in America we have fall and we have Halloween. So people start decorating here like November, but me, when I came here in America, so I'm so glad my husband, he don't care what I'm gonna do. So he just so happy of what I'm doing, mga my guys. So I like to do early decorating of Christmas. So people here, they decorate sila, mag-decorate sila ng fall. I-celebrate din nila yung fall. Pero sa akin, fall is a little bit kuan lang kaayo siya sa nga tanan dili kay siya ingon nga as in long ba og kuan long months. So I start decorating because bare months na gani kana very excited. I'm very excited to get my Christmas tree lights on. So anyway, I'm preparing my husband a breakfast and then his lunch. So this is the wife. This is the wife. So I'm his wife. So I will taking care of my family, him and my baby girl. So my baby girl asking a milk. So anyway, I give him a milk, I give her a milk, my guys, kasi nag-ask siya ng milk. So anyway, napalong, na shutdown ang electric. So kailangan ko talagang bumababa sa basement para tingnan naman yung breaker ba. Basta mag-on na ga yung dalawa, they both so are kuan on. Naadjud siya kuan ba. Ma-shutdown siya. So, kailangan ko talaga i-start yung breaker ganyan. O, di ba? Para ma-on na yung microwave at saka yung air fryer. So, dili na ko siya idungan ang duha mga may guys. So, kailangan ko talaga na una yung milk and then naman yung air fryer. So finally nag-continue na yung lunch ni daddy. So and then my baby girl is here. So I did not on the lights because too early mga my guys is 4:30 in the morning. So yan na po, binigyan ko po siya ng milk. Tapos yan po yung Vicks niya para mag-warm yung bed niya mga may guys kasi very cold na start cold 40 degrees na dito kasi fall na sa amin mga may guys and then fall and then coming winter na so finally na-get up siya she want to go to our bed so I give her a kiss and hug. She is very sweet, we love her so very much mga my guys. So she is very happy go to our kuan bed and her daddy was there and she's very happy. She said, "Good morning, daddy." Very sweet. So finally, I need to finish. Daddy is here, so I need to get ready all his drinks to make sure mga my guys, my drinks yung mga asawa natin. So he got to make sure he get food in his work, to make sure he can eat. That's what I really care of my husband. So anyway, nang huy-ab ako. So nag-prepare din ako ng coffee at saka yung I'm gonna waiting nga mag-beep na yung air fryer kasi 1 minute na lang. So that's off. So all is cooked. So I make daddy oatmeal every morning. Correct. So and then his coffee mga my guys. Yan talaga yung asawa natin, no? Kailangan talaga nating i-taking care yung mga husband natin kasi sila yung nag-work too hard. So, and then kita yung mga wife. So, me and my husband is just a team, very teamwork kasi even though I'm in the house, I'm just not, sit down. So, all the house chores, I'm gonna in charge that mga may guys kasi si daddy very tired yan siya sa pagtatrabaho sa aming mga financial needs. So ako din yung nag-aalaga sa aking anak. And then finally I give him his breakfast and he's waiting kasi time na mag-eat siya kasi he need to go to to work. And finally, is lunch is ready na mga guys. So, yan po yung lunch niya. Chicken at saka fries. So, yan po yun. So, anyway, nag-get ready na ako kasi we get ready to do prayer before he go to work, mga my guys. So, kailangan talaga magpe-pray tayo kasi yan po yung mga natin, yung mga pabalo natin mga my guys, no, always do prayer. We thank God for everything. We thank God for all the trials. So that's our weapon. Every day, every morning, we do prayer. I know we're not perfect mga my guys, but we still continue praise and worship to God. Always appreciate ta sa Ginoo mga my guys, no? So anyway, yan po yung oatmeal ni Daddy. So nag-get ready na ako mga my guys. Kasi si Naknak, she's waiting on me too. She wants snuggle. Gusto pa yan siya mag-hug-hug kami para makatulog na naman siya kasi taas pang oras. Ngit-ngit pa dito mga my guys. Need pa siya mag-nap. So I need to give it to him na kay para balik na po ko sa aking anak. So thank you so much for watching.